Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my fall growth collaborative haul. And if you guys would like to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I am going to do my growth collaborative fall haul, the things that I got for fall, my cleaning supplies. I'm so excited because this is my favorite time of the year, you guys, and yeah, I love the scents, and I will be ordering more, so you probably will get 2 growth collaborative videos this month. So yes, I'm very excited for that. Also you guys, if you guys would like a 5-piece free gift set, I will leave the link down below. Just press it and then order. You will receive a 5-piece free gift set, you guys. So, you know, take advantage of it. You know, if you like cleaning supplies like I do, I will leave my first video down below telling you why I love Growth Collaborative. And I'm going to tell you 2 tips right now that is non-toxic, it's very convenient, and they have good deals. Like if you're a VIP, you get free things every month. So yeah you guys, let's get started into the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the mum scent. This is one of their fall scents from Mrs. Meyer's. I got the multi-surface everyday cleaner, I got the dish soap, and I got the hand soap, you guys. This smells so good. I already smelled it, but when I opened the box I was like nervous. I have not had this scent at all. I have tried the apple cider, the pumpkin. I don't think they did come out with a new pumpkin this year for Mrs. Meyer's, but I don't know if I smelled that. And I also smelled the acorn scent, and it smells really good, but I have not for some reason smelled the mum. And when I smelled this, you guys, it smells really good. I'm so excited that I purchased this. It smells really clean, and it's, you know, you guys, you know I love clean first scent. It smells really good. Oh, I love it. So like I said, I got the dish soap. Let me see how this smells. You guys have to smell it. You have to try it for real. Like if you love like cleaning with scents, like, can't wait to use this. I am going to be doing a fall morning routine, cleaning morning routine, and I'm going to feature this in my video, and I cannot wait to clean with it. And it looks like this, you guys. This is how the spray looks, and this is how the dish soap looks, and this is how the hand soap looks. So happy about that. So the next thing I got, which I purchase every year around fall time, is the Honey Crisp apple scent from Method all-purpose cleaner. It looks like this. I order this every year around this time. It smells so good. It smells just like apples. Like, I'm not even kidding. It smells like apples. And I clean with this. My kids like to clean off the table now, you guys. Like, that's like one of their chores. They clean off the coffee table, and they clean off the dining room table. And they love to use sprays, and ever since they start cleaning, they love to use my sprays, and I know they're gonna love the scent. So I got that one. You guys know, you watch my Growth Collaborative haul, that I always have to buy the Method antibacterial, the Method anti-bag all-purpose cleaner in the scent Bamboo. This is one of my holy grails, my favorite. I clean this everywhere. My room, the kids' room, the living room, dining table, kitchen, bathroom. If it's here, if it's handy, I am going to clean because this is anti-bac. Like, I love antibacterial. So, you know I have to have this. The next thing I got, you guys, is a stain remover. I have not tried this yet. I don't know if it works. I will let you guys know in the future video. I just needed a stain remover because my kids, like, you know, my son, he had like a huge stain in his shirt and it wouldn't come out. So I'm like, oh, I need a stain remover. And I seen this on Growth Collaborative, you know, and I said, you know what, I have to try it because it's just, it don't have a scent. It's just like, it's just plain, like literally plain, no scent at all, which is fine, you know, why would it, you know? But yes, I have this. I will let you guys know if it works or not, but I just needed a stain remover in my house. The next thing I got, these things I have gotten for free, guys. Okay, it's because I have if you order the 3, like if you order 3 of these, like the hand soap, the spray, and the dish soap, you will get the tea towel, which came with it. You also get a soy candle, and the price for all three of these, the soy candle and the tea towel, was $22 and I think 89 cents or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. I thought it was a good price because I never tried their candles before. So yeah, and this is in what is it called? It's an autumn fig. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I don't like it. Oh, it's like a strong, it doesn't smell good to me. I'm so sorry, mama. Ugh, I don't think I would ever burn this. I probably would like pass it around like to my mom or my sister, like, do you guys want this? Because this don't smell good to me. I'm gonna just leave that right there. That just, it doesn't smell good at all. I'm sorry. I also got the lavender and bergamot. This is the lavender and bergamot floral and calming candle. I got this for free as well. You have to, oh sorry, I guess you have to pop it open. Okay, this one don't smell that bad. This one smells like this smells like it belongs in the bathroom, to be honest. It doesn't smell, I don't know, it just smells like it belongs in the bathroom, like a bathroom cleaner or something. I think that's the lavender smell in this. It's kind of strong, but it doesn't smell bad. If anything, I would burn this in my kid's bathroom. But this candle right here is a no-no. I do not like this. I don't like that, I'm sorry. It just smells awful. This smells okay. I mean, I would not purchase this if I had a choice. I would not purchase this or this. No. So, just being honest, you guys, I do not like that. So I will not be purchasing these two. I'm happy I got it for free, but no, I will not be purchasing that. But this is a tea towel. I don't use tea towels. I'm pretty sure that I would use this for something, you know. I don't know, make it maybe something decorative or something like that. What is this? Oh, I put this in my kitchen, you know, where my counter is or my stove. This is cute. It looks like this. I like this. Okay. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is really nice. I like this. And that is all, you guys. That's all I got for my fall haul. I will be doing another one this month. I don't know which fall scent I don't know which fall scent I'm going to order yet. If you guys would like to have me try a scent, just comment down below and ask me to try a fall scent, and I will purchase it and see if I like it and give you my opinion on it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Oh, you know, you just want to talk to me, that's fine. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.